Welcome to AI Unraveled, the podcast that demystifies frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and keeps you up to date with the latest AI trends. Join us as we delve into groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From the latest trends in ChatGPT and the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, to the exciting developments in generative AI, we've got you covered with a comprehensive update on the ever-evolving AI landscape. In today's episode, we'll cover DeepMind's prediction of a third wave of AI, Google and DeepMind's AI algorithm for personalized route suggestions, a comprehensive survey on LLM-based agents, MIT's Style2Fab AI tool for 3D printing, Meta's efforts in multimodal learning, Google's restriction on Gradio for free users, DeepMind's optimization by prompting, Meta's AI-powered tools for marketers, SoftBank's consideration of investment or partnership with OpenAI, the partnership between Anthropic and BCG for enterprise AI solutions, DeepMind's vision of interactive AI chatbots, a roundup of AI-related news, and a recommendation of the book AI Unraveled. Mustafa Suleyman, co-founder of DeepMind, believes that we are on the cusp of a new era in artificial intelligence, AI. In what he refers to as the third wave of AI evolution, machines will not only communicate with humans, but also with other machines. To understand this progression, let's take a quick look at the previous phases. The initial phase was focused on classification, specifically deep learning algorithms that could classify different types of data. Then came the generative phase, where AI systems used input data to create new information. But now we're heading into the interactive phase. This is where machines will be capable of carrying out tasks by conversing not only with humans, but also with other AI systems. Users will be able to provide high-level objectives to their AI and let it take the necessary actions, involving dialogue with both machines and individuals. This interactive AI has the potential to be more than just a tool for automation. It will possess the freedom and agency to execute tasks, bringing us closer to the AI we see in science fiction. Instead of being static, it will be dynamic and adaptable, much like the depictions of AI in movies. Interestingly, despite the excitement surrounding generative AI, there seems to be a decline in its popularity. User growth and web traffic for tools like ChatGPT have decreased. DeepMind itself has released a rival to ChatGPT called Pi, which emphasizes its polite and conversational nature. Overall, it's clear that AI is rapidly advancing, and the future holds great promise for machines that can interact not only with humans, but also with their own kind. So listen up. Google and DeepMind have been tinkering away to make our Google Maps experience even more personalized. They've developed an AI algorithm that suggests routes tailored just for you. I'm talking hyper-personalization here, people. This new algorithm is no joke. It boasts a whopping 360 million parameters and uses real driving data from Maps users to figure out what gets our engines revving when it comes to route decisions. It considers all sorts of factors like travel time, tolls, road conditions, and even our own personal preferences. It's like having a virtual co-pilot who knows you better than you know yourself. Now, how do they do it? I'm about to drop some serious tech knowledge on you. They use something called inverse reinforcement learning, IRL, to learn from our behavior, and this fancy thing called receding horizon inverse planning, RIP, to tackle both short and long distance travel. Tests have shown that RIP can suggest routes for two-wheelers with a 16 to 24% improvement in accuracy. And here's the best part. It's only going to get better over time as it learns more about what routes we prefer. In the past, Google's attempts to use AI for route planning have hit roadblocks because real-world road networks can be a mind-boggling labyrinth of complexity. But the beauty of RIP is that it can take on this challenge with a sophisticated approach. It's proof that better performance is all about scale, both in terms of the data set and the complexity of the model. So, get ready to hit the open road with Google Maps' hyper-personalized routes, brought to you by the wonders of AI. So imagine a world where AI agents play a crucial role in our society. Well, this comprehensive survey on LLM-based agents brings us one step closer to that reality. It's a deep dive into the world of AI agents and how we can utilize them for the greater good. But what are LLM-based agents, you ask? LLM stands for large language models, and this survey explains why they make a great foundation for AI agents. They present a conceptual framework that can be customized for various applications, making them incredibly versatile. The survey doesn't stop there. It goes on to explore the numerous applications of LLM-based agents, from single-agent scenarios to multi-agent scenarios and even human-agent cooperation. These agents can play a role in various settings. They even delve into agent societies, examining how LLM-based agents behave and interact with each other. It's fascinating to see how these agents mirror certain aspects of human society. The survey also highlights key topics and open problems in the field. This is valuable information for developers, as it serves as a practical resource for building AI agents. But it's not just for developers. Researchers, practitioners, and policymakers can also benefit from this survey. It can guide them in further advancing the field of AI and LLM development in a responsible manner. So why does all of this matter? Well, this survey has the potential to be a game changer. It offers insights and guidance that could lead to breakthroughs in the world of AI. With responsible development and utilization of LLM-based agents, we can shape a future where humans and AI agents coexist and thrive in harmony. Hey there! I've got some exciting news for all you designers and 3D printing enthusiasts out there. The geniuses over at MIT have come up with an awesome tool called Style2Fab that's powered by AI and allows you to personalize your 3D printable models. How cool is that? So here's the deal. With Style2Fab, you can add custom design elements to your 3D models without messing with the functionality of the objects. All you need to do is describe your desired design using natural language prompts. Yep, you heard it right. No complicated software or coding required. Just good old words to express your creative vision. But wait, it gets even better. Once you've described your dream design, you can simply feed it into a 3D printer and bring your creation to life. How awesome is that? This tool really opens up a whole new world of possibilities, especially for those who are just starting out in the design world. But it doesn't stop there. Style2Fab also has the potential to revolutionize the field of DIY assistive technology and devices. Imagine how clinicians and medical patients could benefit from customized and personalized solutions that are easier to create than ever before. So folks, get ready to take your 3D printing game to the next level with Style2Fab. It's time to unleash your creativity and make your designs truly stand out. The future is here, and it's looking pretty amazing. Have you ever wondered how many senses AI has? Well, let's dive into this fascinating topic of multimodal learning to find out. In this article, we'll explore the next step in AI that's currently being developed, multimodal learning. Our dear author, Harshvardhan, takes us on a journey to understand how multimodal models work and their potential use cases. Through intriguing analogies, the article sheds light on the technical aspects of multimodal learning and discusses Meta's efforts in leading open source research on these models. So, why is this important? By delving into the world of multimodal learning, we gain valuable insights that can spark new applications and research directions. These insights ultimately contribute to the advancement of multimodal AI and its practical applications. Imagine the possibilities we can unlock when AI can truly perceive and comprehend the world through multiple senses. Exciting times lie ahead as we continue to push the boundaries of AI. Multimodal learning opens doors to a future where AI can process and understand information in a more human-like way. Stay tuned for more developments in this groundbreaking field. In today's daily AI news, we have some interesting updates to share. Let's dive right in. First up, we have news about AI artists being banned by Google. Well, not exactly. Google Colab has actually restricted free users from using the popular Gradio user interface for stable diffusion. This decision was made to manage the strain on resources, but users still have options like upgrading to the paid tier or utilizing other free interfaces. Moving on, DeepMind has made a fascinating discovery. They found that large language models, LLMs, can optimize their own prompts using a method called optimization by prompting, OPRO. By utilizing meta prompts, LLMs can generate and refine solutions for improved results. This technique can greatly enhance LLM accuracy, but the prompt format is crucial. In other news, MIT researchers have developed a generative AI-driven tool called Style2 Fab. This tool allows users to personalize 3D printable models by adding custom design elements while ensuring the functionality of the objects remains intact. All this can be done through natural language prompts, making it easy and efficient. Next up, Meta is getting ready for the holiday season by launching automated budget scheduling and bid multipliers. These features will help marketers make the most out of their ad campaigns, thanks to AI. SoftBank is also making moves in the AI world. They are considering investing in AI companies, including a potential partnership with OpenAI. The investment could be in the tens of billions, showing the interest in AI's future. And lastly, Anthropic and BCG have formed an alliance to deliver enterprise AI solutions to clients. This alliance will give BDG's clients direct access to Claude 2 and Anthropic's AI technology. According to DeepMind's co-founder, Mustafa Suleyman, generative AI is just a phase. The future lies in interactive AI. Suleyman envisions building chatbots that can not only chat, but also carry out tasks by interacting with other software and people. That wraps up today's AI news. Stay tuned for more updates and advancements in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Hey there, here are some interesting tech news stories for you. Did you know that the US dominates generative AI funding? They're drawing in a whopping 89% of global venture capital investment, which amounts to a staggering $20 billion. In contrast, Europe is only getting 5% of that investment, equivalent to $1 billion. OpenAI's rise seems to be a driving force behind this preference among venture capitalists. In some not-so-great news, it looks like North Korea-linked hackers have allegedly stolen $70 million in crypto assets from CoinEx. Blockchain researchers suspect their involvement in this cyber attack. Moving on to investments, Sequoia and Andreessen's Instacart investment during the tech boom of 2021 is now facing a bit of a challenge. The company's upcoming IPO could result in a 75% valuation drop, which is quite significant. Let's talk about Google now. They're doing their part to prolong the lifespan of Chromebooks by releasing automatic updates for a whole decade. This move is not only great for saving schools up to $1.8 billion, but also helps limit technology waste. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, seems to be in awe of AI's success. Despite its global excitement and wide use, Altman acknowledges that there may be challenges ahead, which is an honest and refreshing perspective. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more tech updates. Hey there! If you're excited about diving deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, I've got just the thing for you. There's this amazing book called AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, let me tell you why you should totally get your hands on this gem. AI Unraveled is packed with all the answers to those burning questions you may have about AI. Think of it as your ultimate AI guidebook. It's like having a knowledgeable expert right by your side, unraveling the mysteries of artificial intelligence in a way that's easy to comprehend. The best part? You can grab a copy of this must-read book at 3 different platforms: Apple, Google, or Amazon. So, no matter whether you're an Apple aficionado, a Google guru, or an Amazon enthusiast, there's a way for you to access this invaluable resource. So why wait any longer? Dive into AI Unraveled today and expand your understanding of artificial intelligence like never before. This book is a game changer, and it's ready to be enjoyed by curious minds like yours. Happy reading. In this episode, we explored topics ranging from the future of AI with conversational capabilities, personalized route suggestions in Google Maps, the construction and applications of LLM-based agents, AI tools for personalizing 3D printable models, advancements in multimodal learning, restrictions on free users, and new innovations from Meta, SoftBank's potential involvement with OpenAI, enterprise AI solutions, interactive AI chatbots, recent news in generative AI funding and cybersecurity, and a recommendation to expand your AI knowledge with the essential book, AI Unraveled. Join us next time on AI Unraveled as we continue to demystify frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and bring you the latest trends in AI, including ChatGPT advancements and the exciting collaboration between Google Brain and DeepMind. Stay informed, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more.